So pretty excited about this one. This is the new Reclaim Eco R290 All-in-one heat pump system. So this is a really cost-effective solution to switching over from a gas storage, for example, to heat pump hot water system. So really high efficiencies out of this system. This is a 287 litre option. It also comes in a 200 litre system. And it's got some really good features. So we're on Wi-Fi, we've got a timer. So if we're thinking about free lunch in October, where we're looking at 3 free hours during the day through power electricity retailers, this is something that we could pair up with that and actually set the timer to heat our hot water for free. Also, if you've got solar, of course you can use that timer to set the heating cycle with your solar system. And we're really happy with it. The installer said that this was really easy to install. And in terms of noise, well, it's a low decibel rating. So let's switch it on and see how quiet it actually is.